Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see who viewed your featured photos on Facebook. For example, if you have recently uploaded your featured photos or previously uploaded the featured photos, so how you can check that who sees that featured photos or collection of your photos on your Facebook profile. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply open the App Store here. So here you have to simply search for the Facebook app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Facebook app. And after checking for the Facebook app, you have installed the latest versions app. You have to simply open the Facebook app, and here you have to simply click on profile, and you have to simply open the profile. And here you can simply find collection photos in below the details option. So you will find the collection photos as featured photos. So if you want to see who viewed your collection photos, first of all you have to simply upload the collection photos, and after that there will be show views who viewed your uh, collection photos or featured photos. But you have to make sure that you have seen the views within 14 days, because after 14 days the person who viewed your collection photos will be removed from that list. So you have to make sure that you check your collection photos or featured photos regularly. Otherwise, that history will be removed from your Facebook profile, and you will not be able to see your featured photos viewers. So you have to simply make sure about that. So in this way, you can simply check for your featured photos viewers anytime you want it. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.